The atmosphere in the global financial markets of 2026 carries a weight, significantly different from the past, when BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager with $14 trillion in assets, declared the tokenization of assets as the next generation of finance. Many dismissed it as a distant vision. However, the reality we are witnessing today has surpassed those expectations. Real-world assets, RWA, and blockchain technology have merged to create unprecedented capital efficiency. And at the heart of this RWA revolution, the name ONDO is carved more deeply than any other. Founded by an elite team from Goldman Sachs, ONDO has evolved beyond a mere project to become the most robust and trusted standard. Bridging traditional finance and the Web3 ecosystem, the intense market focus on ONDO is no accident. Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock, envisioned a world where every asset is tokenized, and his Buidel Fund has become a testament to that vision, surpassing $181 billion in assets by February 2026. As the most successful tokenized treasury fund in history, ONDO's flagship product, OUSG, holds a significant portion of this Buidel Fund, allocating approximately 21.42% of its total, assets over $145 million into BlackRock's infrastructure. This symbiotic relationship allows ONDO to fully absorb the stability and security of institutional-grade finance, while simultaneously leveraging the dynamic liquidity of Web3. BlackRock's massive $1.2 billion inflow into Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs in early 2026 was a clear signal that they are activating a meticulous roadmap to digitize the entire financial market, with ONDO serving as the critical technological layer for this transition. The most powerful weapon in ONDO's arsenal is its regulatory fortress. On December 8, 2025, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, officially closed its multi-year investigation into ONDO without recommending any charges. This effectively certified that ONDO's business, model, and token structure comply perfectly with strict U.S. securities laws. This historic decision cleared the final legal hurdles for institutional investors and provided ONDO with an undisputed pass into the heart of Wall Street. Following the closure of the probe, ONDO took an even bolder step by acquiring Oasis Pro, securing SEC-registered broker-dealer, alternative trading system, ATS, and transfer agent licenses. ONDO is now a full-stack financial institution, capable of legally issuing, trading, and managing ownership of tokenized securities within its own infrastructure. The ONDO Summit, held in New York on February 3, 2026, was a celebration of this institutional dominance. Heavyweights like Samara Cohen of BlackRock, Jonathan Steinberg of WisdomTree, and executives from Fidelity and State Street gathered to discuss ONDO's infrastructure as the future global standard. The summit highlighted the launch of ONDO Chain, a next-generation layer, one network built for institutions with validators, including Google Cloud and Franklin Templeton. As Nathan Allman, CEO of ONDO, stated, "Just as stablecoins revolutionized the movement of dollars, ONDO Global Markets is fundamentally remapping how global securities are distributed. The integration with MetaMask, allowing millions of users to trade tokenized stocks like Apple or Tesla directly from their mobile wallets without a traditional brokerage account, is a revolutionary step toward the democratization of finance." Technologically, ONDO's precision is unrivaled. ONDO Global Markets surpassed $10 billion in cumulative trading volume shortly after its launch, proving that the market's trust is well placed. The platform offers 11 physical backing for over 200 tokenized U.S. stocks and ETFs, which are held in custody by regulated traditional institutions, such as State Street or BNY Mellon. Unlike traditional markets that close on weekends and require days for settlement, ONDO enables 247 real-time trading and instant settlement, maximizing capital turnover. The implementation of smart contracts that automatically reinvest dividends further maximizes investor returns while slashing operational costs. Furthermore, ONDO's expansion to high-performance networks, like Solana, leverages sub-second finality to scale these offerings to a global audience. Ultimately, ONDO's value stems from real-world utility and revenue. By early 2026, ONDO's total value locked TVL exceeded $2.5 billion, reflecting a massive shift of real-world assets onto the blockchain. The ONDO token serves as the lifeblood of this empire, used for network fees, security staking, and ecosystem governance. The most significant upcoming catalyst is the 21 shares ONDO Trust ETF filing, submitted on February 6, 2026. Approval of this spot ETF would allow traditional investors to gain direct exposure to ONDO through their existing brokerage accounts, potentially triggering an unprecedented capital inflow. ONDO is no longer just a crypto project. It is the architect of a new financial grammar, where all valuable assets flow freely on-chain. As the financial system's new plumbing, ONDO stands at the center of a golden age for digital assets, where institutional capital and blockchain technology are perfectly fused. To ignore ONDO's position today is to miss the most significant remapping of global finance in our lifetime.